For the first discovery, we should know what neutron stars and pulsars are. Neutron stars. A neutron star is a star that is born by collapse in a supernova when explosions of giant star. The core of that star is collapsing. Meanwhile, protons and electrons are crushing into the neutrons, and these neutrons help to stop dying of the star. This is called as neutron star as simply. Pulsars. Pulsars are a type of neutron stars. These types of neutron stars are emitting stellar radiation every millisecond beyond our imagination. In 2014, scientists have found an object that is emitting X-rays, gamma rays and light. This is known as PSR J20395617. After that, due to strange behavior of this object, scientists researched about this object. They proved this is a pulsar with companion star. Further studies show this pulsar is rotating 377 times per second. Indeed, this is awesome. This pulsar is sucking materials from its companion star, therefore shape of companion star is mutating. For now, over 4,000 exoplanets have been found by astronomers. Exoplanets mean planets orbiting beyond our solar system. Those planets are orbiting other stars except Sun. Distance between Earth and those planets are measured by light years. Light years mean the distance light travels in a year. Practically, astronomers cannot send aircraft to research them. Some of exoplanets may have a situation that a life could exist. But we do not have telescopes to watch inner situations of exoplanets. As well as, we also do not have a technology that travels at the speed of light. Therefore, scientists have found new method to confirm life existing. Scientists say the confirmation can be obtained according to the condition of those planets' atmosphere. We know planets belong to our solar system have different gases each other. Let's consider about this for a while. Mercury does not have atmosphere like Earth. Mercury is covered by a sphere of atoms formed by explosions on the surface by the solar wind. It includes oxygen, helium, sodium, potassium and hydrogen. Venus' atmosphere includes 96.5% of carbon dioxide. Our atmosphere consists of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Atmosphere of Mars includes 95% carbon dioxide and 3% nitrogen. 90% of hydrogen, 9% of helium and 1% of ammonia, sulfur, methane are included in Jupiter's atmosphere. Saturn's atmosphere includes 75% hydrogen and 24% helium. Uranus' atmosphere is composing 82.5% hydrogen and 15.2% helium. Neptune has 80% hydrogen and 19% helium. If there is a combination of oxygen, methane and nitrogen in an atmosphere, it could be a signal of life existing. But astronomers cannot confirm that there is a life. Therefore, astronomers say if the atmosphere of related exoplanet has been polluted, there is a likelihood to exist a life. Nitrogen dioxide is emitted due to human activity. Nitrogen dioxide can be seen in Earth's atmosphere because biofuels. Factories and vehicles released these gases. Therefore, astronomers say level of nitrogen dioxide in an atmosphere can confirm some lives in exoplanets. Astronomers have found a quasar and black hole. Important matter is that this quasar has been confirmed to be the farthest object from the Earth. This quasar is called as JO 313-1806. The distance between Earth and this newly identified quasar is 13 billion light years. As well as astronomers have discovered this power supply of this quasar. It is supermassive black hole. This supermassive black hole has mass of 1.6 billion times that of the Sun. This black hole has known as the earliest black hole in the universe to date. Astronomers have found the most distant planetoid belongs to our solar system. This object was found in 2018 and now revealed date of this object. This planetoid was named far far out. Distance of such this object is measured by astronomical unit. The distance between Earth and Sun is equal to astronomical unit 1. Far far out has 175 astronomical unit at the most distance from the Sun and 27 astronomical unit at the closest to the Sun when rotating its orbit.